At Boss, you get to work with highly skilled, creative people. We partner with the most technologically progressive companies to create advanced automation that will power the future of manufacturing. This is why we exist.
Some of the builders and guys that are out on the floor have been here for going on close to 15, 20 years, right? So these guys, you can tell when they work on something that they take it very personally in terms of pride and craftsmanship of what they're doing.
Boss has given us every tool to succeed with this. We have all the proper space and all the stuff we need.
Take a lot of pride in the work here. We want to put out the best machine that we can. That's the goal here.
Pride in their work. You guys be happy with that? If they're not happy with it, the customer's not going to be happy with it.
You need to stay at the cutting edge of innovation and technology.
Collaborative robot idea is that we have robots working alongside humans without any guarding or fencing around them. They're meant to assist people in their job. We're one of the only people in Canada that does it right now.
It's something that people aren't going to be used to seeing.
You're safe to work next to the robot while it is moving and operating.
Things move quickly here at Boss Innovations. It's an exciting and motivating place to work.
But behind every great company, there's a family.
For a company that's growing so rapidly, it has more of this small shop atmosphere.
I know that culture-wise, being in here is a lot different than anywhere that I've ever worked.
I'm home every night for dinner. You get to do that family thing that I missed so many years as just a kind of contractor on the road.
And I've been working here almost 20 years.
You know, I feel like family here now, and everybody treats me well, and just a great environment here.
It's very nice to be close to the 401 here. It lets you get to work quick and get out of work quick.
Sort of in the heart of southwestern Ontario where there's a lot of manufacturing.
It's fun. I mean, we have fun here. When we're getting our stuff done, we're having fun.
Innovation is in our name, but with that comes failure. We encourage our team to fail early and often, and then to persevere and succeed.
Co-op students especially getting right involved with hands-on experience, and I really think they enjoy that.
They'll be into projects, designing, having their work checked.
Staying at a co-op for 16 months so long, I really got to dive into some projects.
To be perfectly honest, they were basically just functioning at the same level as everybody else. They're designing, they're building, programming.
It's not just sitting here in the corner and we need you to kind of help out and be a part of this company.
I have 8 months of school left, and then once I graduate, I'll be back at Boss as a full-time employee. I'm looking forward to investing back in them. I couldn't see a better place to do my co-op.
At Boss, we're looking for people who try to do things differently.
Because what we're doing at Boss is not only different, it's innovative.